Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and today I want to just do a quick run through of a double layout that I did for a 12 by 12 album. I am using the Little Monsters paper exclusively available by Country Craft Creations. This is the 8 by 8 paper collection. I also used some gray, this is the lighter gray Artisan Cardstock available at Country Craft Creations. I've used some dies from my stash. I've used some of the cut-aparts and border strips from the paper collection and some of the ephemera pieces. I've also used some of this fantasy fiber that's available at Country Craft Creations. This is the Briarwood color. I've used some rub-ons that I had in my stash. I used some My Colors cardstock. This is the sweet potato that I used. And then some odds and ends like stickers as well. And did some matting here, some black seam binding there. And just a quick little walkthrough. This is a wooden element that I had in my stash. Comes like this. Then I also use some of those rub-ons that I showed you. Here are some of the die cuts, here. I used some spray on a sheet of white. And then I did some little fussy cutting around the outside so that I could layer this cauldron with the black cardstock on top of that sprayed cardstock to make it green inside. Then I glued some of this fantasy fiber underneath the cauldron before I glued the cauldron down. I made sure to lift her little hand up so that I could put the rub-on underneath. And then here I did I put the rub-ons there as well. This is just some of the layered ephemera pieces on both sides, here and here. This is where I use that sweet potato My Colors cardstock just underneath this border strip there. And then this is just the white cardstock here, and then for the photo mats. I do cut my 12 by 12s down just a little bit. I feel like it makes it easier to slide into the plastic sleeving for my 12 by 12 layouts. But basically I just cut off a 1/4 inch from both the side and the top. These are just little strips of paper that I had left over from my prior project using the Little Monsters paper. And that's about it. It's a quick little project. I had fun pulling out some of the things that I've been collecting in my room, and I hope this gives you some inspiration to use up some of the scraps, some of the cut-aparts and ephemera pieces, as well as some things that you might have around your craft room. Thanks everybody, and until next time, happy crafting you all. Bye.